Hi guys, in this video we're gonna make the ArcoLinuxB Nimdow. But just a quick intro. On the ArcoLinux info you'll find a web link to the new information about the new tiling window manager, installable via ATT. But in this video you'll see that you can build your own ISO with the tools that we provide you for free, right? And all the information, well, the tiling window manager is coming from this guy. You can ask him all the questions you like. And in the website of ArcoLinuxD, you have added as well phase 3 tiling window manager Nimdow. Next one is, if you want to use ArcoLinuxD ISO, you need to have scripts. On the GitHub of ArcoLinuxD, you can run the scripts to have Nimdow. This video is about building ISOs, so we have made an article how to build ArcoLinuxB Nimdow. Now if you've built it, built some other ISO, you'll see that's basically the same thing. The only thing that changes is this bit: Arco Mate, Arco i3, Arco BSPWM. So that's all it changes, and each and one of these videos is basically the same workflow. So let's go and do this. On the desktop, best way to do it, git clone and keep it clean, of course. Git clone, Ctrl Shift V. Oops, double. Ctrl Shift V is enough. There was already git clone, so used to type it. And then we have the code. This is all you need to change anything you'd like. All right. So we have here the Arch ISO, the packages. There's a long list of packages. I would say scroll all the way down and scroll back up. This is the specific for Nimdow, so keep off. But here all of these guys, and maybe it's not interesting to look at like this. Take Perl, and then you see the colors. All that's gray is not installed. If you see something, oh, I'm gonna miss that thing, you delete the hashtag. That's it. Or you don't want things and you're going to put the hashtag in front of it. So this is our selection of all the packages that are provided from Arch. But the fun stuff for you guys is probably gonna start here. So maybe you'd like YayGit. YayGit is possible as well. Parubin, Parugit, Pamek AOR. You don't want it, put the hashtag in front of it. It's not gonna be on the system. And that's the point, right? We give you the power to build your own ISO, your vision. Remember the issues we had in the past, and we've released one of those ISOs with Octopi, and Pamek was out for the moment. So yeah, if you fell in love with Octopi, then it's going to be this choice. Let's make this a little bit bigger. All right, Pamek AOR is out and Octopi is in, and it's as simple as that. It's a hashtag, and all you need to remember is the name. Know what name it is, and then decide whether you want it or not. Maybe you don't like the Sardi and the servant icons, put the hashtag in front of it. But of course, make sure you have icons. I have seen desktops without icons in Thunar. It's a bit strange. Okay, so there you go, a long list of things to do. And all the rest is basically knowing how to type /40, and that's it. Open a terminal, /40, tap, enter, and you're building your own ISO. It's not difficult. As you see, it's really is super simple. Hashtags in front, add things. What I could add as well, add things. And I was just triggered by that sentence. You can add things, and I would suggest to do it at the bottom, but it should be something that's on the repo. And I'm saying the repo and not ArcoLinux repo. It should be available to Pacman. If it's not here, you can't do anything with it, right? You need to have a package that is actually installable with sudo pacman -s. If it's installable like that, that's fine. You can add it to the list, basically. Anything from the AOR is going to be not available. That's it for now. I can make things always more complex, and one of those things is the personal folder. You can add things in the personal folder and then it gets copy pasted there as well. And we are the distro that actually has a different folder just by choice, right? ArcoLinuxB build, yes, this one, that one, and in here we have a personal folder. No other distro has that, but if you put something in here, packages, configs, whatever you put in here, it's gonna be on the ISO and it's gonna be on your future system, which makes it, oh, that's interesting. So I can have put all my configurations or my packages that I've built. I can put it in the folder and it will end up in the folder on your future system. So things like that, you can always make it more complex, but here are all the tutorials about personal. Get your personal files and configuration of ArcoLinux ISO, add packages, drivers, icons, wallpapers. I mean, there is a ton of information about personal, and well, if you like it, you use it. In the meantime, we will pause the video because it's still building the ISO, and then we'll be back. And so it's finished. ArcoLinuxB Nimdow 240301, the first one, and we'll keep updating it. So it's built, and now of course you can test it. Now there's no need for me to show that in this video, because on YouTube in the previous number you see me install the ArcoLinuxB ISO. All right, cheers.